Okay guys, day 18, morning of, heading to the gym. Got the water, got the lemon juice, apple cider vinegar. I've been drinking all morning. It's a little later start today, but that's okay. The main point here is that we're started. The day is going well. We're starting to feel stronger, trimmer, healthier, a little less sore, which is great. So this is day 18, back workout today, mobility and bike. And then we're gonna come back afterwards and do a recap of exactly what we're eating today, okay? Get after it, boom. Okay, here we are, Chronicles of a Hungry Man, because that's what I am. All finished up at the gym. Back, threw in a couple of movements for biceps too. It's feeling really good, really strong today. And then just got off the bike a few minutes ago. And my window to eating starts in about an hour. I've got to wait about 64 minutes. So I've got some time. I'm gonna keep on drinking some water, maybe throw down a coffee, and then get at it and we'll cook something up that's really good. Unless I have some good, healthy, homemade leftovers in the fridge. That's a possibility as well. And that's where having your meal prep already done will come into play. Try and fight off those food cravings if you're still having them once you're at day 18 like me. And if you have meal prep, healthy recipes already ready, you're doing yourself a big, huge favor. Makes it a lot easier. So let's get to the kitchen soon. Okay, I need some more water. Feeling really strong in that workout today, like really strong. I haven't felt this strong in a long time, and that's saying something. This is an incredible day 18 right now. I actually feel the diet and the nutrition kicking in those workouts. As remember, it's last time I ate a meal was, what's that? Carry the 1, 2. We're talking like 15 hours ago, and I had energy in there like you wouldn't believe. This is freaking phenomenal. So we keep on going and push forward to that first meal and then see how we do for the rest of the day with everything else we got going on. Okay, I gotta cross the road. Chef Boom, crossing the road. We gotta look both ways. Oh, look at that car, okay. Boom. Get some greens, we need some greens in there, right? Okay, as easy as this. Let's rinse them. This is my first meal of the day. I'm in my window, so thankfully meal prep comes alive here. You can go in and check out the easy recipe for this. Lemon and dill made that on the live cooking show. I'm still not at the point where I'm measuring anything. I'm kind of getting the skin out there, but I want a good size. Look at this, now I got my hands in it. Like really? I could have used a knife. Anyway, that's the amount of salmon I want. I'm gonna rinse now, darn it. Okay, let's heat this up. Now we can, well, it's right there. I'll tell you what, homemade leftovers, they work magic, especially for the first meal of the day. If we're not ready to cook, they can really save us here. So let's get some fresh lemon. Very basic on this one. Okay. A little bit of olive oil. And some added flavor. Oh my gosh, today. Some oregano. And of course, what usually happens is this is like a guessing game. Is this avocado any good? I don't think it is. I think it's rotten inside. That's my guess, but let's see. Let's both look at the same time. How is it? I can't win with avocado, man. I can't. Like, it looks okay right there, but watch, when I go to take this out, maybe if I miss the edges, I can salvage some. Right there. Okay. That's meal number 1, leftover. Jeez, what the hell was that? I was like getting shot. Jeez, lemon and dill, salmon, homemade, easy recipe from leftovers on the cooking show. Go check that easy recipe out. I think it was day 13 or 14 or 15, somewhere in there, but you'll see it. Lemon and dill salmon, easy recipe. And then of course, just plain spinach, some olive oil, a little bit of avocado. So I'm gonna have to add in a few more fats later on. And then away we go. So that's meal number 1. Let's get eating. I am hungry. Stick to it. Boom. Oh. Okay guys, recap of day 18, Chronicles of a Hungry Man, because that's what I am. Now you saw throughout the day what I was doing, gym, first meal, everything was going well. And then it happened again last night. Sleep eating. Yeah, it's a real thing. I invented it. Good solid day, right? We had gin. First meal of the day you saw earlier on in the video was salmon. After the salmon and the salad, I had a bowl of ground beef with some roasted almonds. That video on the channel from a few nights before, live cooking show. That one was great. Everything going well. I had a half pint of blueberries, going well again. Then cooking show for dinner was live. I made my ultimate chicken bowl, better than one of those fast food joints out there, and a much cheaper price. I used my boom spice. You know, the boom spice is the essence of my kitchen. You know, the boom. Boom! It's a great homemade, easy recipe for a chicken bowl. That's what I called it. Ultimate chicken bowl. Go check that one out. You'll see how I made it, how easy it is, how much it cost me, kept the cost low. Everything's great. It's 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. I'm good. Everything's good. Solid. Thing of day 18 in the books. I'm right there on that couch, out like a light. Fell asleep. And I think it was around 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. And sleep eating kicks in again. At the fridge looking. Thankfully, when I went to the fridge, I had already eliminated the hazardous materials. There's nothing there in the cabinets, in the fridge, in the freezer. There's no extras hidden anywhere because I knew sleep eating is still a big part of this entire game. And I had to prepare for it. Obviously, I had. But there was that chicken that I cooked and the veggies that I cooked. I took out the rest of the chicken. I still see it. The plate is right over there with the bottle of the Tabasco sauce. I was eating chicken and Tabasco sauce at midnight. Honestly, I don't even remember eating it. I could feel it a little bit that I ate it because it doesn't feel that good. And I think I stayed awake for another hour because I figured I should try and digest a little bit of it. I think, again, I can't really remember. I just know that I see the bowl over there with the fork, or is that a spoon, and the Tabasco. I probably still have Tabasco on my face or something, maybe some salsa still on my face from eating that chicken, but sleep eating. And the only thing I can think of why I was sleep eating is because I did not eat enough throughout the day. There was no reason for me to be getting up from a sleep on the couch and going for that walk. And again, I don't remember it. It was sleep eating. It wasn't just me consciously making that decision. I got up out of a sleep on the couch, went to the fridge, got that chicken bowl. I don't think I even heated it up. I don't recall. Did I put it in the microwave? I don't know. I think I came straight from the fridge, sat down, and ate it. That's what I think I did. Again, I don't remember. I'm not doing drugs. I'm not doing alcohol. It's not messing with my brain. I'm serious. Sleep eating, a real thing. I invented it. I know. So it could have been worse. It could have been worse. Sleep eating before has been get the pizza, have it at the door, not even remember getting it from the door, eating it, boom. Eat the pizza, 2,500 calories at midnight. That's even worse. So it's a win. This is still a win. I ate chicken. Unfortunately, I took away some of the meal prep that I wanted to have done for today. Now I'm going to have to cook again later on, but that's okay. If that is the worst that happens and I need to cook again because I ate extra chicken, that's okay. I'll take it. That's a win. Day 18 in the books, Chronicles of a Hungry Man, because that's what I am. Look, you want to be a champion? You got to cook like a champion. You got to eat like a champion. You are a champion. Boom! Yeah. It's Joe Kernan saying on the morning CNBC.